An airsoft gun was taken from a student this morning at Lewiston Middle School. This gun was first spotted by a bus driver who realized it wasn't an actual firearm, but it was treated as a real weapon and was confiscated by the vice principal and the school's safety officer. Superintendent Jake Langlis says the student may have brought it to school to give to a classmate. She's now facing suspension. Airsoft guns are used in team sports similar to paintball matches. They are replicas of real firearms and they fire a plastic ball, unlike BB guns, which fire metal ones.